Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Tesla Model Y versus Ioniq 6 full comparison. Pause when you need to note numbers and specs, and use timestamps to skip sections. I'll walk through range, charging, interior space, tech, safety, and ownership costs in clear steps. Expect honest pros and cons, practical examples, and quick takeaways you can use when shopping. Stay tuned for real comparisons and simple summaries to guide your choice. Choosing between these models starts with range and performance. The Tesla Model Y and Ioniq 6 have different battery sizes, motor setups, and real-world ranges that affect daily use. I'll compare EPA and real-world numbers, charging times, and driving feel so you know what to expect. Also, expect practical 0-60 estimates and city/highway efficiency. That will help you match driving needs to the right car. Quick recommendation. If you like tools that simplify life, consider the products seen here. Bento Box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Link in description. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful comparisons. Check the description for the link and other deals, and use the containers to plan road trip snacks when testing range or packing for a long drive. Now let's get back to the video. Interior comfort and cargo matter for real-life ownership. I'll compare seating space, cargo volume, materials, and infotainment usability between the two cars, noting visibility and storage practicalities. Expect a walk through center stack, screen size, connectivity, and driver aids, plus comments on build quality and noise levels. I'll highlight what each cabin does best for families, commuters, or tech fans so you can match priorities to lifestyle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.